I am on board the newest ship in the American Cruise Line's fleet. This is American Eagle, the first of a brand new class of ships for ACL, and I love it. We're doing an 8-day cruise along the coast of Maine this week, and this is one of the most beautiful parts of the United States that I've seen in all my travels. Please enjoy a couple of minutes of gorgeous views of the scenery here in Maine. That's just a sample of some of the video I shot during my cruise here on American Eagle. I'm a licensed commercial drone pilot, so I love shooting those cinematic aerial views. I'm going to need a week or two to do some more video editing to put together a video or 2 or 3 that tells the full story of this cruise along the coast of Maine. I'll tell you my impressions of this brand new ship. Spoiler alert, I really liked it. And I'll give you a full tour of the ship from top to bottom in my upcoming videos here on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn notifications on if you want to be sure not to miss those upcoming videos, which will be released starting on Saturday, October the 7th. Meanwhile, I'm putting links up on the screen to some of my previous videos about cruises I've done with American Cruise Lines. So if you're in the mood to watch a good cruise ship video, click on one of those thumbnails you should be seeing on screen right now.